Just thought I'd get a quick shot of my bike before I take off here. Here I am. Well, I'm just leaving the house here. Wind's kicking up pretty good. This is the first street you see, but pretty soon I'll be in another world. It's beautiful out here. Yeah, if I go for about 10 minutes, I'll be in another world. Lots of pine trees and farmlands, and I'm looking forward to it. I couldn't have been going more than 10 minutes. Yep, that's me, riding my bike, heading toward this beautiful terrain. Look where I'm at now. Got horses here, got a farm over there. Now I'm going to head back toward home. The rest of the trip is downhill. Let's see where we're at here. Somewhere out there they got a giant pumpkin shooter. Let's see if you look in the distance there's a giant pumpkin cannon. I don't know if you can see that or not. Beautiful out here though. And there's hardly any traffic. In fact, look at this road here. 20 minutes from my house, and there's no traffic out here at all, hardly. And that's where I'm going down, heading back home. I'm riding my bike with no hands. Whoa! Very scary. I can't tell what they're growing there from here. Strawberries maybe? Anyway, it looks like there's corn on this side. Lots and lots of corn. Beautiful out there. Still no cars. I haven't seen one single car go by here yet. Just pulled over the road here because there's a deer. Look at that. Running away from me though. Oh well. I just pulled off the side of the road because there's a boat landing down there. That's the Rogue River down there. Got somebody fishing. I think I'll get back up on the highway and head on back. Thought I'd check that out. That's the river alongside of me there. I'm still on my way back home. It's going to take a while to get there. Looks like a little gravestone of some sort here. It says, in memory of Clyde M. Gunter, who nearby on June 28, 1937 gave his life to save a child from drowning. And then it's got a scripture, no greater love hath any man than he who laid down his life that another might live. I know that's from the Bible. So I guess some young person was drowning out here and he saved their life and it cost him his life. Well, that's a good way to go if you gotta go. Saving somebody else's life. Just thought I'd pull over for a second and check out the river. Kind of nice out here. There's another boat landing and a park across the street. Looks like more people fishing out there. Another farm. Well, almost back. Maybe another mile to go. Heading on toward the park here. Well, I just stopped by the park here. I see these people flying their kite. And I don't know if you can see it. There's a kite way up there. This young man over here, he's flying it. And they're trying to reel it in. I think he's going to be here for at least an hour and a half, probably. He's got a lot of reeling to do.
We're not reeling it in yet.
You're not? Well, I hung out at the park for a while. Hung out with those kids flying the kite. Now I'm on my way out of here. Thought I'd get a shot of this bridge I'm about to go over that goes over the Rogue River here. This is kind of unique. Goes right over the river, and you'll get to see it in a second here.